Hello everyone, welcome to PH How YouTube page, and today we're going to be unboxing the Stream Desk. The Stream Desk is like, it helps you, it connects with Twitter, YouTube, and a whole lot more. You can edit with this and everything. You can edit it with it and everything. This is my first time pulling it out, second time pulling out the box. It's a pretty cool box right here, and it's cushioned on the inside a little bit on top. I guess it's to keep it from moving around and everything, but it's a good box. It's a great box. It's a nice box. Now, right here, the Stream Desk right here is right here. Stream Desk. Say hi to Chloe Bear. That's my granddaughter. This right here basically tell you how to set it up, how to load information up onto your Stream Desk right here. And it, first of all, you will have most likely you probably have to go to your Windows, on your PC, and you have to download the Stream Desk into your PC. And once you do that, you connect your Stream Desk to your USB port on your PC or Mac. Okay, in my case, I have a PC. It's a Windows PC, so I would just have to, in other words, I would just have to take this right here, and just hook it to the front of my computer up there. The USB space in the front of my computer, that's where I will be hooking this up at. All right, let's see what else the book is talking about. And you also have to launch customized apps. So what you do here, you put your different, like the apps you want to edit out, you want to use for editing, like streaming, like you stream on YouTube a lot, you stream on Twit a lot, whatever, Twitter, and instead of fumbling around, all you will have to do is just push one button, and that will take you on. In case you're streaming on YouTube and you want to let the people know that you're about to go live, all you do is push one button, and that helps you go live and everything. So I was looking over different information about this piece of equipment right here, and I think I would like it because I'm trying to learn editing and computer coding, and so this will help me out a lot too. So especially when I have to split the screen, it should help my videos come out a whole lot better than what they were coming out. Me stumbling over word space and all that. But I'm working on getting better, like you guys know. But back to this right here. You just plug it in. Okay, let's see what else we got here in the box. My bad, I'm sorry. Right here, this is the desk. This is the desk. It's the desk that this piece of equipment will be sitting on, the Stream Deck. It will be sitting on this deck right here. And I can do that right now. See how we can put this on right here. It just sits up in here. Oh, wow, that's cool. It just sits up in there. Wow, that don't look like it should go that way. PH. But this thing just sits up in here and do what? Hold on, guys. Let's get the box. Look at it. See what it's supposed to look like. Here goes some directions in here as well. Directions, books. I guess it tells you how to hook everything up, set everything up. It's in a few different languages and everything. And I think this is just the book to it. Alright guys, let's see what we can do about this desk here, because we definitely want it sitting up. Okay guys, we got it now. The desk sits up like so, see? It sits up like that. It sits up. And what we're going to do, we're going to install this just like so. Put it right on there. It sits on there. Maybe go down into the pocket right there. And what I'm going to do is just plug it in. Let's see what it do. But of course, I'm going to have to make a second video about it to let you guys know how it works, how we program everything in there. But as of now, we're going to make it happen. This is the YouTube cord. I mean, the USB cord right here. It's pretty long enough, and we're going to plug it in. See how it works. USB. All right. Whoops. Here we go. Setting up the device. Like I said, you're not gonna get much out of it right now because we still have to set the information up into the computer. So as of now, this is what I'm working on today. The Stream Desk by Elgoto, and this is what we're gonna work on today. And I'm gonna load a couple of apps in here, and I'm gonna come back and try to show you guys a little bit how this works, because this has 15 buttons. You have one if you can't afford to spend $130. This has you can get the 6-button one, and that's about $80 on Amazon. So it's worth it, because especially if you do a lot of streaming, it's very much worth it. Less work. So hopefully we'll get everything set up, come back, and everything will work. But as of now, I finally got all my fans to work in this computer right here. And I mean, technology, man, sometimes make you want to pull your hair out. But let's see if I can get a good view of this. Let's see what we can do to get a good view. Maybe come out the light a little bit. Oh, there you go. It's a good view to it. See, this is it right here. It's a good view, a great view. And that's it. And the name of it, Stream Deck by Elgoto. Thank you guys for joining. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, as well as to share. If you like the video, thank you for those who support me. Thank you to those who's going to support me in the future. And I'm getting better, guys, and that's what it is. But as of now, I appreciate you guys taking the time out, stopping, looking at the video, checking out the video. It will be a part 2 to this video. So as of now, this is part 1. Shout out to the hometown Trenton. Peace.